dear children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, already in our last session, we people have seen the multiplication chart, how to complete. Similarly, today one more pattern we will see, that is skip counting pattern, based how to complete the table based on your skip counting pattern. So let us see. Write the table 2 based on skip counting pattern. Now children, skip counting pattern means what? If we are creating the table of 2, then we have to skip the two numbers difference between the next numbers. Let us see how it is. So for example, we are writing the table of 2. So we'll start with the 2. Okay. So like this, we people have to first mark all the circles. To create the table of 2, we require the 10 circle like that. You people can continue this all the circle in your horizontal form only. Here I don't have the place, so I am writing down. So now 2. Now children, you people are going in the increasing order form. So you people, your arrow will move to your right hand side. Now for 2, if you add plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2 children, 4. For this 4 number, again if you add plus 2. If you add plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Again same process you are continuing. You will move for the next number and add plus 2 for that. 6 plus 2 how much? 6 plus 2, 8. Then again you people are moving for the next number by adding plus 2. 8 plus 2 how much? 10. Again same process will continue here. So how much you will get here? 10 plus 2 children, 10 plus 2, 12. Again from the 12 same you are continuing with the plus 2. 12 plus 2 how much children? 14. Again from 14 you are moving for the next pattern for the plus 2. 14 plus 2, 16. Again from the 16 you are moving for the next circle by adding plus 2. 16 plus 2, 18. And again from 18 you are moving for the next place by adding 2. 18 plus 2, 20. So this is called as our skip pattern. Now if you see here, they told to complete the table 2 or write the table 2 with the help of skip pattern. 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. Okay children. Now skip by counting now 2 table. Always skip with the 2 numbers. If you see 4 minus 2 you will get 2, 6 minus 4 you will get 2, 8 minus 6 you will get 2, 10 minus 8 you will get 2, 12 minus 10 you will get 2. So here all having the difference of 2 number, skipping of 2 number. So this is called as a skip counting pattern. Understood? So let us try with next example. With the skip counting pattern only for the table 3. Okay. So again same process. First let us draw the circles. Till 30 we are doing, means we require the 10 circles. Let us start with now 3. Now how many number we have to add for this 3? 3. Because here now difference will be of 3 numbers. So skipping by three numbers we are counting and writing. So 3 you can add plus 3. 3 plus 3 how much? 3 plus 3 6. Okay. Now for again from the 6 we are moving for the next circle, and for this 6 again you are adding how much? 3 numbers. 6 plus 3 9. How much you are getting here? 9. Again from that 9 we are moving for the next number. Again for this 9 we people are adding here 3. 9 plus 3 how much? 9 plus 3 12. So we are writing here 12. Again from 12 we are moving for the next number. Again you have to add for 12 3. So 12 plus 3 how much, children? 15. So you people are writing here 15. Now from 15 again you are moving for the next circle by adding 3. So 15 plus 3 how much? 15 plus 3 18. So you people are writing here 18. Now from 18 again you have to move for the next circle by adding plus 3. So 18 plus 3 how much? 18 plus 3 21. Now from that 21 again we are moving for the next number by adding how much? 3 number. 21 plus 3 24. Again from that 24 you have to move for the next circle, next place by adding plus 3. 24 plus 3 27. And from 27 again you have to move for the next number by adding plus 3, and here we will get 30. Understanding? If you want you can check your table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 30. Here skipping counting pattern with the number 3. Here the difference of between the each number is 3. That's why it is then skipped by 3 numbers. You are added to get the next number, but the difference between the each numbers is 3. That is called as a skip by the 3 numbers between the each. Understand? Now children, let us try one more table. That is table 6. Okay. Now children, let us try skip counting pattern for table 6. Now, write the table 6 based on the skip counting pattern. Same way, again you people are taking the circles. How many circles we required? We required 10 circles. Okay. Now, let us try with the 6. For 6, you people are adding 6 number plus 6. And if it is increasing order, so you people have to show the arrow also for the forwarding side. Understanding? So, 6 plus 6 how much, children? 6 plus 6, 12. Again for this 12, you people have to add 6 to get your next number. Here how much you are going to answer? 18. Okay. Now for the 18, again you people have to add the next plus 6 to get your next number. How much answer you will get now after adding 6 for the 18? 24. So you are writing the answer here 24. Again for 24 you people are adding the 6 number to get your next number. So 24 plus 6 you are getting the answer here 30. Okay. Now again for 30 you people are adding plus 6. How much you are adding? Plus 6. After adding plus 6 how much you are getting the next number? 36. Now again you people are adding plus 6 for the next number. So 36 plus 6 how much, children? For 36 you add 6. 42. How much you are getting the answer here? 42. For this 42 again you people are adding plus 6 to get your next number. So how much answer you will get here? 48. Correct. How much answer you are getting here? 48. Now for the 48, again you people add plus 6 to get your next number. How much answer you are getting after adding 6 for 48? 54. So you people are getting the answer here 54. Now for this 54, again you people add plus 6 to get your next number. So 54 plus 6 how much? 60. So here we complete our table 6 with the skip counting pattern. Here the difference between each number is how much? 6, 6. So here number 6 is skipped between each number. So that's why we have added plus 6 to get the next number. You can check 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54 and 6 10 is 60. Like this you people can create all the different types of table. Whichever tables you are creating, that number only you people have to go on adding, because that number only you are skipping, means difference between each number will be same number. So same difference, but here you have to take care that you have to show the arrow in the forwarding side, and whatever you are adding, same number should be add till the end. Understood? Okay. Now children, let us create the table of 10 based on the same skip counting pattern. So table of 10. You can write 10 here. Add for 10 plus 10. You will get the next number 20. For that 20, again add plus 10. You will get here 10 plus 20, 30. Again for 30, you can add plus 10. You will get 30 plus 10, 40. Again for 40, add plus 10. 40 plus 10, how much children you will get? 50. Then for again 50, add plus 10. You will get the next number, that is 60. For 60, again you add plus 10. You will get the answer here 70. For the 70, again you add plus 10. You will get answer here 80. For 80, again you add here plus 10. You will get the answer here 90. And for the 90, you can add plus 10. You will get here answer 100. And here the table of 10 is present. 10 ones are 10, 10 to the 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Like this, you can create all the different tables starting from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Only whichever table you are creating, that much number you people have to add for every time for each numbers. Okay. Children, let us solve some problems from the exercise 4H to make you understand. So if you see here, A part, find the product. Already we people have done this. Let us revise. So 5 4s are how much? 5 4s are 20. So you people are writing here answer 20. 7 5s are 35. So you people are writing here 35. 9 3s are how much? 9 3s are 27. So you are writing here 27. Now 6 6 are how much children? 6 6 are 36. So you people are writing here 36. 9 8s are how much? 72. So you are writing your answer 72. 7 1s are 7. Like this you people are to ask the how much and get your answer. Fill in the blanks form. First example, 6 5s are 30. Now in the second example, answer is already given. You have to find the first number. So 7, you have to ask how much the 56, because answer is present here. 7, how much the 56? 8s. So here it will come 8, because 7 8s are 56. Sometimes you have to ask if the answer is present. Whichever the number is present, for that number you have to ask how much is that answer. Automatically you will get the answer. Now third one, see. 7 here is given, second number is missed here. Here we have to write the answer. Answer is present already, it is 42. So ask the question, 7 how much is 42? 7 6 is 42. So automatically the answer will come 6 42. In example 4, if you see, answer is present here, that is 72. And second place number is present in your left hand side, that is 8. Now ask, 8 how much is 72? 9s. So automatically first number answer place your answer getting 9s. So if the first number is present, second number is also present, directly you can give the answer. If the answer is given and if the second number is present, then ask that second number how much is that answer. Automatically we will get the first number. Or sometimes if the first number is present and answer is present, then ask the first number, how much the answer? Automatically second number. All are related to each other. Only here tables should be compulsory. If the tables you perfect with, if you are perfect with the tables, answer easily you can solve all the multiplication problems, children. So children, I hope you people have understood this all the problems. Go through all the exercise problems and please practice it. Today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new subtopic. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe. Take care.